How to create a table of content in Microsoft Word might be a question in the background of your mind. Wow, that's awesome. In today's tutorial, I'm so excited to share with you a simple and the best way to create a table of content which will make your document very attractive. I'm thinking, why is your report or proposal rejected due to bad table of content but a worst case scenario? How do you prepare your report or proposal without a table of content? That's not right.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Okay guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Moses from motechapp. In this tutorial, we are going to learn 2 ways on how to create a table of content. A good way and a best way. What you should expect at the end of this tutorial is to be able to create a beautiful table of content. That's right. So here I'm going to start. So these are actual headers. So what we need to do is to highlight. I would like to highlight these. I highlight these. Okay, then I choose heading 1, right? After that, I'm going to add a blank page. What is this happening? Wow. So click on cross, footer and header. Wow, that's awesome. Get a cup of coffee. So press enter, then you should remain with a blank page. I click on references, then I go in, I choose table of content. Once I click here, then I choose automatic table of content too. Boom. Wow, that's genius. Now you can see we have a good table of content, as you can see here. So this is number 1. Number 2, I'm going to teach you how you can create a best table of content which will be a masterpiece than this. So let's go on. So here I have another Word document. So what we are going to do here, let's highlight like what we did. Okay, I highlight this, okay, the same as we did on the first method. I just highlight this, then at home I select heading. I would like to select heading 1. Okay, so here what I can do, I put numbers like this is number 1.3. I press enter, right? That's okay. I hope it should be something like that. Then the next thing I want to do is introduction should be in the first page and the technique of detection should be in the second page, right? So I keep on pressing enter. So techniques will be in second page, then face recognition database will be on the third page. This is actually a conclusion we have. Okay, that's awesome. So the next thing here, I would like to press enter till I find out a blank page once again. After that, what I can do here, oh, why this is happening? Oh, let's scroll this. That's awesome. Get a cup of coffee for fixing this. So the next thing is click on references, then choose table of content. Boom. What is happening? You can see how beautiful is table of content. But this is how the best way you can create a beautiful table of content. My experience in corporate world, so far I have 2 years of experience in corporate world. A lot of people get stuck when it comes to an issue of creating a table of content. A lot of people are submitting their research, they are submitting their report, they are submitting their proposal without table of content, and their report end to be crashed, their report end to be blasted. So I think this is been a problem. A lot of people in the corporate world do not know how to put a table of content. But for you, so far, you know this trick, how you can put a beautiful table of content, then that's awesome. Call action to you is that try out to create any report or any document of Microsoft Word, then try out to insert a table of content. Put a comment below to let me know if you have failed or you have successful. Share your experience. How do you see this? How do you see a table of content? How it looks like? I would like to see the comment, because in my spare time I enjoy pathing, I enjoy reading on your comment. Actually that's okay. Put comment, let me know, right? Actually, this is an end of our today's tutorial. We have covered how we can create a beautiful table of content in Microsoft Word. I would like you to like, comment, share and subscribe at our tutorial, right? If this video find helpful for you, put a like, because only likes is a way for us to make analytics of video. We count down how many people have liked the video, so as we can make improvement, we can keep on uploading video, or we can totally delete the video. But also on my spare time, I like to read comment. I would like to review, as I've given you a call to action that create any report, create any proposal, create any Microsoft Word document. Try out to create a table of content on your side, on yourself, from the scratch to the end, and share your experience by commenting below. Let me know how it feels like when you are now able to create a table of content. But I think sharing is caring. There is much important for you to share this video for others, as we spread the knowledge. But also, the only way to keep updated is by subscribing to our channel. But as long as we meet, I think we become friends. So click on my social media links, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook. Let's chat, let's be friends, and let's create a big Microsoft Word community. Thanks, see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.